January. The January is New Year. The February is Valentine's. The February is Valentine's. The April bakasyon na. The May school supplies again. And black juice. The June go to school. The July go to school again. The August go to school. The September is raining. The November the October is raining again. The November is scary, is Halloween, and so happy days. The December is my Christmas day. Yay! Mag 2026 na din, malayo pa lang. Bye!